Okay, so here we have the SAMEBIKE electric bike. Do you have the same bike? I really hope not. So this is a cheapy electric bike you get off like Amazon and places like that, and there's not really much to say about it other than it's cheap basically. So from the electrical point of view, it's fairly standard. We've got the hub motor on the back, although it's in a die-cast magnesium wheel. I assume it's magnesium. Magnesium's easier to cast than Ali, so I'm guessing a magnesium casting. 500 watts I believe these are. That's what the rating on the controller is anyway, so we're going with that, 500 watts. We have mechanical disc brakes, which are elite. I don't know, they're not very elite, they're fairly meh. They work though, so you know, that's that. Crankset's just your standard 3-piece crankset. The derailleurs, Tawny TZ derailleur, nothing special there, but hey, at least it's branded right. We should have a 10 amp 48 volt battery on here, which is faulty at the moment. The BMS is not very happy, as you can probably tell in my other video. Yeah, it has power on the push button, but no output at all. And there is no fuse on these. So, you know, I think someone else has been in there. Someone's replaced the speed controller at some point and used some of this as insulation. Don't do that. Just don't do that. Heat shrink, not whatever that is. Carpet foam or something. For suspension forks, we have what I'm pretty sure these are HL Corporation or Zoom suspension forks, steel levers, and a mechanical lockout switch. Yep, the ka-chunk. Shimano mouse ear shifters, but hey, I suppose they're branded. SF830 display, allows you to control many functions. These are not bad, except for in the UK, if your bike's running over the 15.5 mile an hour, they will use this to get you and do your speed under no load. So they'll test the bike under no load conditions, and if it's over 15.5, you lose your bike and 6 points on your licence. So there's that. Of course, under the old law, in 2015, you was allowed a throttle with a 200 watt motor, not a 250 watt motor, a 200 watt motor. So if you're saying, you know, it's an older bike, remember 200 watts, not 250 watts. So that's that, and letter stamps, you know, as well. There's nothing on this motor, there's actually nothing written on this at all. So as far as, you know, I'm concerned, or the police are concerned, this would be considered a moped, because it doesn't actually state what performance specs are. You do need a sticker that states that, so you know, you can get them off eBay and Amazon. Not saying you should put false stats on your bike, but maybe a good idea. Anyway, this wasn't coming on, so I tried this one. Nothing there, which then led me to the battery not having any power, as in no output power. That was after I'd already seen that the controller had been replaced. I've already tried this out, this is okay. The battery is not outputting anything and is foobarred. So, what do I think about these then? Well, they're pretty cheap. The batteries use unbranded cells and they're really badly made. So, if we go to the battery, here it is in all its glory. So this shows power, sometimes, not always. It's a bit corroded, because water can get straight in. That just sits in the side, right there where all that corrosion is. Cells are unbranded. There's your BMS right there. In this case, it's totally dead. Will not let you discharge or charge. Gets really hot when you try and charge. So, shorted MOSFET, and yeah, as you can see, more rust there. Look. There's a charger. These actually seem fairly well made. Almost looks identical to a Specialized Turbo Levo charger in feel as well. Like, it feels the same. Specialized is a Rosenberg connector, but I swear, the case at least, the actual plastic casing is the same. I mean, the voltages are totally different, everything's different, but yeah. The case, the plastic case, I'm pretty sure is the same. Even the tool marks look the same, so there's that. The battery is dead.